Alright guys, got a little unboxing for you. If you've seen the thumbnail, you already know what it is, so I'll just get right into it. Managed to get one of these off Amazon. I thought it would be a lot harder. It's been on Amazon for quite some time. Sharp objects, of course. Always be careful. Safety first. Don't want to go to a hospital at a time like this. So I'm actually filming this on my new camera rig. If I want to embarrass myself and show you my, well, let's see. I didn't go to college to be an engineer. And in fact, I didn't go to college at all. I'll just put it that way. Maybe I'll show you the camera rig later, but here we go. Got the box open with an old box cutter my dad fashioned out of some things. He was a fashioner of things with things. Anyway, here we are. You already see it right there? Bam! Got the Emperor with the throne. Everybody wanted a throne when they came out with the first version of the Emperor Black Series figure, and now we get like a deluxe awesome version. I thought these things were going to be like really hard to get after they came out on Amazon. Let's keep unboxing, shall we? But yeah, to my surprise, they're still the same price as when they came out. Gosh, over a year ago? Almost, maybe two, or I don't know. I lost track, but it was a while back. And, come on! I refuse to lose to a box a second time. Alright, we'll just grab it like that. Okay. Alright. Let me know what you think, if this overhead camera is a better deal than my last one. I think it's a little bit better, but oh, look at that. It's like two-part. Yay. So if you want to just, I don't know. You know what I always thought, and I can't show you with my phone right now, but I always thought that would be like a cool phone cradle. Put it on your desk and just pop your phone in the Emperor's chair. That's not what I'm going to use it for, but I thought maybe that would be kind of a cool idea if you find an extra one. And you can still get, crinkle, crinkle. You can still get Emperor chairs 3D printed, like from, you know, third-party people. There's all over Facebook and stuff, on the forums, wherever you go. Does that swivel? It oh, and it's notched, so you get kind of a ratcheting. If you can hear it, kind of ratchets. That's cool. Very nice. That's a little butt dimple from a Sith butt. Yeah, but I've been wanting one of these for a while. Finally said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and get... So, my review slash unboxing slash workbench, it kind of works out, because now I have like tools within arm's reach. Let's get in here some... Oh, what is that? It's not a rubber band. It's not... It's like one of those, you know, when you get them on your t-shirt when they're brand new and they got the tag on it. One of those somebody out there in retail, help me out. Those little T things you get on your... Whoa! Eye hazard. But it's like that. It's like one of those T things on your t-shirt, but it's like dual, like, stem. English is hard, okay? Give me a break. Alright. But yeah, it's like one of these things holding them in. Wow. Alright, that's wild. Okay, cool. So we got that out. My bench isn't anywhere near the cleanest place to be doing this, but you don't get much head. Oh, okay. Maybe do. There's a little sheave. Okay, there. Right. There. That's better. That's ooh. Oh, that's great. I still have the original without throne. He's got a lightsaber hand. Ah, that's interesting. It's too bad he doesn't have a flat hand. Well, he's got the lightning hands, but I'm not going to take them apart to do what I'm thinking would be cool, is if he had a hand Or was it his left? Of course, I don't have a Luke lightsaber. It should come with one. It should come with a V2 Return of the Jedi Luke lightsaber. Is there a V2 that comes with it? Help me out in the comments again. I like getting help from you guys. I ask for it a lot. But is there a V2 saber for Luke in the 112 Black Series scale? This would be great to get, if there was a hand I could find that was kind of, bent just with the fingers just in a kind of an arch, so you could have him with his hand on his throne, and he says that line where he sees Luke eyeballing his saber, and he says, "You want this." Oh, so his toes are shipped in the down position. Shout out to Shartimus, they gave him ankle pivot. We all like ankle pivot. You gotta have a Sith Lord with ankle pivot, even when he's just doing his thing from the throne. Yeah. Oh, see, now it would be cool if my camera were lower and not overhead. Okay, he's got the pointy, judgy finger there. Alright, I'm struggling, but you get it. I mean, he sits in there pretty good. There he is. He's got... Yeah. Pretty rad. I'm glad to have finally purchased this. I was waiting for the longest time. I don't know why. I was like, I'm just going to pull the trigger on this guy. Because I've been wanting to... Because I had the original, like the first version. And, of course, we know that one didn't sit very well, even when people were 3D printing their own thrones. Ooh, that's a pretty nasty paint flaw there, huh? That's just supposed to be on the very edge, and that's like all wacky. I mean, I can fix it, but who wants to spend time fixing stuff? Should just come, the judgy hand there. We'll have to mess around with posing it later, but gets the job done. I've now got a Vader, Luke, Emperor, Death Star 2 dual display I can set up. I was thinking about some Royal Guards, but like he tells them to leave anyway. So anyway, just go over these real quick. We got some Sith lightning hands, spirit fingers, whatever you want to call them. Those look weird, man. That's like focus. Yeah, that looks weird, man. I don't know if I'd use those. Can you? Maybe heat them up and then cool them off to kind of spread them out, because they look awfully directional. I mean, I guess they are until they hit Luke, or whomever he decides to be hitting with the Sith lightning spirit fingers. Yeah, see, that's just weird. It's like, I don't know if I could maybe paint further up the finger blue, and because this looks weird. Of course, you got the separate faces. You got Shiv happy, Shiv not happy. And I guess the one that's on the figure right now would be more of like a neutral, kind of vanilla. Yeah. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yep. So we'll wait and see. I'm hoping that Hasbro has something up their sleeve here, and they're gonna do like a spoilers if you haven't seen episode 9, but in The Rise of Skywalker, Maybe we'll get some sort of Emperor figure from that. I don't know. With a new throne. I don't know what that thing was. Life support system, gantry thing. But we'll see. I don't know. I think Hasbro eventually will come around and maybe get us one. But for now, this is good. Original trilogy Palpatine is good. Anyway, yep, just a real quick unboxing. This thing showed up on my door and I was like, hey, you know what? I got nothing else to do. Cool. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you'd like to see anything else. And yeah, for now, that's a wrap.